So there's one thing that's all over the internet right now, and that's the Cybertruck from Elon Musk. It's a very cool and special design, but I think it would be even more spectacular if I would customize the car. So in this video, I'm going to be customizing the Tesla Cybertruck. Enjoy! Alright, so first things first, I need to get a Cybertruck. Back home, I think I have everything I need. Some tools, colored paper, and my building plans. Let's go!
On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up, way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up, way up. Now we gon' way up, now we going. On track, now we gon' way up, way up. Now we gon' way up, now we going. Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, this is 7 seas. I deal with life different, make that lemon squeeze.
Alright, so a very important side note right here. I want to point out that I am not the creator of the building plans. I actually follow the tutorial on YouTube. I will link the video in the right upper corner. So as far as creating this paper model goes, all credits go to that channel. Anyway, let's continue. I got my Tesla right here, my Cybertruck. That means that it's time to customize it.
I don't want no combo, I want checks. I don't want the second, I want best. I'm all in my S-way, I'm a wreck. I've been moving like a hot mess. Want that combo, better know you'll need a check from me. Can pay to play, the sun is still won't get a cent from me. I mix the fit up with the side like it's a remedy. I mix it up inside the pot, watch it drip while it drop. Time to take it to the top. Chips all in the middle like it fall, no I won't flop. We gon' pop like a soda can top. To me this is nothing, call my bluff and I won't stop when I flex. I don't want no combo, I want checks. I don't want the second, I want best.
I just finished the car. I'm gonna show you the end result in just a sec, but please take this moment to maybe give a thumbs up and a comment. I really do appreciate all the support. And if you're new here, please subscribe. It really means a lot to me. So let's get right into the end result. Enjoy. So here you have my custom Cybertruck Tesla. I only need to do one more last thing to make sure this thing is approved.